Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. Stock number B9296P. 25,000 miles on this Grand Caravan. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Color is called White Knuckle. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You'll also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage. Includes 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Power sliding doors on both sides of the van. This Grand Caravan seats 7. Leather interior. Bucket seats in the middle row. Stone Go seating allows the second and third row to fold flat into the floor. Third row seats 3. Rear heat and air control to make sure everyone's comfortable. DVD player with wireless headphones and remote. Windows do go down in the sliding doors, along with power venting rear quarter windows. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. And power liftgate for convenience. Deep storage wall behind the third row, lots of space for cargo, or for those seats to fall back into. Hooks on the back side, perfect for plastic grocery bags. Folding those seats is as easy as 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can, of course, fold them in any combination. Give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. Power liftgate and sliding doors have pinch protection. Automatically reverse if anything gets in the way to make sure nothing gets damaged and no one gets hurt. Sliding doors operate off the key fob or a simple pull of the handle. High back bucket seats in the middle row. Recline. Slide forward and back. Have hooks in the seats for the latch system to keep child seats completely secure. When they're in the upright position, you have all the additional storage space below. This SXT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, operated by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large 6.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. This radio also has a 28 gig hard drive. Simply put a CD in, burn it to your hard drive, never have to carry it along again. You can also upload through the USB connection. Very easy to manage your music from there. Rear DVD player controls, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, and then as of course where the backup camera display is. 3-zone temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air. Lots of storage space in the center console. Dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials. Overhead auto dimming mirror. Liftgate and sliding door controls. And conversation mirror. Under the hood, this Grand Caravan has a 3.6 liter V6, 283 horsepower. All of your fluid points are marked in yellow, so it's a quick glance, anything you want to check on your own. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and approximately 50% of tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.